The one thing that we love about blockchain is the security, for sure. There are lots of advantages and disadvantages, but first of all, I should clarify there are both public and private blockchains. Private blockchains, however, are not very widely used. So we'll be skipping that for today. So we'll get on to the public stuff now, right? The first thing is the need for trust. What does it mean that it has no need for trust? When you trust somebody, there's an intermediary with the transaction you normally go to. So say if you want to transfer money, the intermediary would be the bank. But now in blockchain, you trust in an algorithm. It has a ledger that is available publicly. When a transaction occurs in that public ledger, it is written, and not only that, it is also written on thousands of nodes in the actual blockchain. So if there's a discrepancy, it will be easily picked up. That is why fraud is very, very little in blockchain. In terms of no single point of failure, the only time it would fail is when most of the nodes in the blockchain itself are down, and therefore it makes it near impermeable to a lot of attacks. It's open to all. Everybody has a chance to use it and has a chance to connect it. To disadvantages now. Critical mass of nodes. The amount of nodes required, they need a minimum amount, otherwise the transactions can't actually take place. And next thing is slow speeds due to the network not taking time to reach consensus. So what normally occurs in blockchain is everybody has to agree that that transaction occurred and then write it to the public ledger. If the blockchain is really large, that could take a long time. In terms of scalability, it was the same problem as the slow speeds with consensus. So the bigger the blockchain, the less frequent the transactions will be. And in terms of energy consumption, well, you would imagine how much energy is consumed given the amount of people on a blockchain, and because it has to rely on each node in order to get to a consensus and actually carry out a transaction. That would be it for advantages and disadvantages.